Ever wondered what would happen if your content, community, and services lived in one single place, under your brand? Today we're going to show you why building a mobile app as a content creator isn't just a good idea. It's a total game changer. And with Bravo Studio, it's easier than ever to make it happen, without code. The creator economy is booming. But here's the catch. You're probably relying on a scattered mix of platforms: Instagram, YouTube, Patreon, email lists, maybe even Notion or Gumroad. What if you could centralize your content, own your audience, and deliver value directly in an app that lives on your users' phones? With Bravo Studio, you can build customized apps for your niche like fitness coaching, offering personalized workout plans, progress tracking, and community challenges. Language learning, connecting learners with tutors, gamify lessons, and include vocabulary builders. Career and personal development, delivering expert content, one-on-one coaching, and workshops. Mental wellness, with guided meditations, gratitude journaling, mood tracking. Financial coaching, pet care, interior design, and even habit building. The possibilities are endless. Your app becomes a hub for exclusive content, community features like chat, forums, or challenges, live sessions and video calls, in-app purchases and subscriptions using RevenueCat or Kind billing, AI assistance for personalized support, built using Bravo and OpenAI, notifications that go straight to your users. Design your screens in Figma or duplicate a template. Add Bravo tags using the Bravo Studio plugin. Connect your backend, Xano, Supabase, Airtable. We got you. Set up OAuth login, in-app purchases, or even AI assistance. Preview your app live with Bravo Vision. Hit publish to the App Store and Google Play. No developers, no tech headaches, and no limits to your creativity. We've seen creators build mindfulness apps like Oversoul or Palette Wellbeing, or even TripMix, an AI trip creator app. All with zero code. So if you're ready to take ownership of your audience, grow your brand, and monetize your content on your terms, now's the time. Start building your creator app today with Bravo Studio.